The base design provides for 100-foot wide median throughout the project limits with tie-in tapers to existing SR-58 at both the west and east ends. Granite proposes a median width of 62 feet being utilized throughout the corridor to substantially reduce import borrow and embankment. The reduced median width is developed at the eastern tie-ins through horizontal geometry on the westbound alignment, thus preserving the existing eastbound alignment and roadbed. At the western terminal of the project, the median width is developed through a modification of the horizontal curve on the eastbound alignment. The reduction in the median width allows for the eastbound alignment to be shifted 38 feet to the north. The base design provides for SR-58 to have a dual-grade separation of the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad, resulting in a 611-foot-long westbound overcrossing structure and a 558-foot-long eastbound overcrossing structure. The lengths of these structures are driven by the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad requirements for allowance of a dual track, as well as placement of any piers at least 30 feet measured perpendicularly from the center line of the track. To provide maximum value to Caltrans, the Granite team has spent significant time and effort developing potential alternative solutions. Granite looked to reduce the complexity of the work over live tracks, as well as reduce the length of the overcrossings. The first potential enhancement is the 38-foot reduction of the median width to 62 feet. Secondly, by introducing 2,500-foot reverse curves with a 900-foot tangent section to develop the transition in superelevation, Granite was able to provide dual-grade separation of the railroad. Based on the proposed geometry, Granite investigated potential alternative structures. The first potential structure analyzed is a standard rigid frame that would provide 23 feet 4 inches of vertical clearance. The structure would be close in length to 300 feet along the railroad alignment. To ensure compliance with fire and life safety requirements, open ventilation is provided similar to rigid frame structures found elsewhere on Caltrans roadways, including at the 241-133rd interchange. The opening of the rigid frame would be designed to accommodate a second track alignment, as well as 30 feet of horizontal clearance required by the project's final environmental impact statement. Second alternative structure type is a precast concrete girder bridge that would span the railroad, eliminating any need for false work and in turn reducing the roadway profile. The precast structure would provide 30 feet of horizontal clearance from a double-line track configuration, and providing vertical wrap around abutments would be used to reduce the overall bridge length and protect the structure in the event of a train strike. These modifications result in a 21,000 to 28,000 square foot reduction in bridge deck, with a marginal increase in pavement surface area of around 8,000 square yards, and results in an estimated savings of $3 to $4.5 million over the Caltrans configuration. The base design provides for grade separation of US 395 and SR 58 through a dual structure overcrossing. The interchange provides for full directional connectivity, with a signalized intersection at the eastbound ramp terminal and signed intersection at the westbound ramp terminal. The structures over US 395 would be designed as cast-in-place superstructures. Cast-in-place superstructures require a minimum of 3 feet of additional clearance to accommodate for false work over live traffic on US 395. To provide maximum value, the Granite team once again looked at innovations that could benefit Caltrans. The reduced median width of 62 feet developed in our innovation number 1 allows for the eastbound alignment to be shifted 38 feet to the north and eliminates the need for one right-of-way acquisition, the abandoned motel. The reduced median width also allows the SR-58 eastbound exit ramp to exit the main line after the bridge structure, which is shown highlighted in green. This geometric refinement means that precast concrete girders can be used for the design and construction of not just the westbound superstructure, but also the eastbound superstructure. The precast concrete girder bridge permits the roadway profile to be lowered approximately 3 feet as a result of the elimination of the false work associated with the cast-in-place structure, reducing import borrow and embankment, reducing the abutment wall height, and simplifying the SR-58 superstructures. These modifications result in a 6,600 square foot reduction in bridge deck and result in an estimated savings of $1.1 million.